As you know, learning and drawing of bar charts in mathematics is a serious and the most hardest thing for students to do in mathematics this junior high school. And I and my group have now decided to build a tool for students to use to learn or draw their bar charts. And this tool is going to, we are going to use local materials to build this tool. And you know that those materials are just the ones that we can find at the tip of our fingers. So we can, for the tools, we have our saw, we have our hammer, and then for our material, a wood board, and then we will use rubber band for materials. So for the first procedure, okay, so these are the materials and tools which are going to use by me and my group to prepare the geoboard or to build the geoboard. So at first, for the materials, we have our wooden board. This one is not scarce, you can get it from anywhere. We have our nails, your nails for marking out, and then we have our rubber band, which will be used for making the drawings on the geoboard. For the tools, we have our hammer, we have our ruler, our long rule, we have our pair of compasses, and then a pair of divider, which will be used to mark out lines on the board. So, to start the process, you a square shape. You cut your wooden board 24 centimeters by 24 centimeters. Then you make your mark out. See, you mark out. So, so I am a Japan of cycle, the group leader, our inventor, and then we have our secretary, our organizer, other group member,
Benjamin.
Benjamin,
Felix.
Jacqueline,
Edward. Amwako. Bento. Listen.
Dennis, Stella, Chris, serious face. So we will call on our inventor Akabila to come and take us through the process. So at first, he's making markouts for the nails to be, or for the lines to be ruled. So he's making markouts. So as you can see, he's trying to make markouts because we don't just start and then be nailing things. So he's making markouts for the lines to be ruled, the lines on which the nails will be put. And we don't just make the markouts. We use measurements, proper measurements. Oh my God. So, as you can see, the inventor is now ruling lines on the markouts he just made. This is to help him notice where he is to put a nail. So for now, we are done with the markouts and the ruling of the lines. So it's time for the nails to be put on the board. Because with just the board, it's not geoboard. It needs nails to help get off the rubber band. You can see he's attaching the rubber band to make the diagonals easy for him to put the nails. As you can see, even what he's doing now involves mathematics because you have to measure and rule lines. And this is a total combination of physics and mathematics here.
Go.
So now as you can see, we are done with our geoboard. This is a very nice tool. It doesn't involve much time and then much effort. Okay, so this geoboard is a very nice tool which can help students to draw bar charts. So this geoboard can be used in drawing bar charts. It can also be used in finding the area of a rectangle. Also, teachers can also use it as a TLM, a teaching and learning material, to teach students many topics in mathematics. So with this, teachers can teach students many other topics in mathematics easily without no